we got 2 packages today. This, I think, is another Makeship plush, if I'm correct. And you have no idea. Oh yeah, it's definitely what I think it is. It's the Billie bust up plush toy. Here he is. Fantoccio plush from Billie Bust Up. It's a lot bigger than I thought he would be. Looks like he's got like a Robin Hood type hat. According to Crazy Fun Time Taz, he's from like a musical type video game, which sounds really cool. Oh no. Looks like there's a thread on him, which I'll have to remove. If you can see right there, mine has a little thread hanging out. Is this hat like removable or something? No, it's attached to you by threads. Only 510 made. And this box is a bunch of Sonic and Mario figures that I bought off eBay, which, funnily enough, I never got a notification about these guys shipping. But I know that this is what they are. What else would they be? Yep, here are some of the Happy Meal toys. Oh yeah, and there's also Shiny Knuckles, which I will end up selling. We got some other Mario and Sonic figures. We'll take a look at those in a moment. Then the big guns. Here we have the Juvie Shadow the Hedgehog figure. They're all really warm because it's really hot outside. But he's like about a $10 figure. Which is kind of funny. You would think they would be more valuable. And then we have these Goldie figures. Why do they have tape around their necks? I don't understand why. But it says Nintendo 2008 made in China. These feel official to me. Why is Mario's head like that? It's slightly twisted and it's kind of bothering me. And we have another classic Sonic figure by Jazzwares from the 20th anniversary. Sad to say, his joints have seen better days. Along with his face. But it's a lot better than the other one my aunt found. So I should get about $20 considering his condition. But the one figure that will make up for everything in this lot is this Shadow the Hedgehog Superposer. I have to fix him up because I don't want him flopping all over the place. That's weird. I hope that's just, yeah, it's just a no. Oh no. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we got a defect. I think. Hopefully, no? Oh no, guys. You got a defect. His leg bent like this. That's not supposed to happen. Oh no. This is not good. Not good at all. It'll be a hard sell because no one wants a defective Shadow. I mean, it could make him more valuable, but oh no. This is not cool, man. Not cool at all. And then we got another Mario and Luigi. Let's have a look at these figures. Now these guys I'm going to keep if they're official. I don't know how you can tell. These are like mini Jazzwares figures, as it says on the bottom of Knuckles' shoes. These are like mini figures. Jazzwares, Supersonic. I think the fake one has like a yellow nose. These guys aren't worth much, and considering his condition. Oh, we got two Knuckles. Which one is... This one's better for me. We have Luigi without the pipe. A Connects Goomba. That was... Yep, it's a Connects Goomba. Supposed to have something on top of his head, but that's missing. We have a yellow Yoshi without a stand. It's from 2008. Never seen this guy, but he's supposed to have a stand. Here we have a Daisy Bishop for the Mario Chess set. Here I have a Goldie Luigi figure. And a Jazzwares Amy that is very fragile feeling because of the heat. All of these feel very flimsy, so I'll have to let these guys cool off. That would be very unfortunate if some of these figures melted, like, real badly. I think with enough cool down time, they should be okay. We have Yoshi from the Mario Kart 8 toy line from McDonald's. A Goldie Daisy. Some of these might be bootleg. This one looks a little bit better than other figures I've had of that particular character, being Daisy. I've had some terrible looking ones. Another Yoshi. A Mario Kart Mario from the Pez toy. A shiny Knuckles that seems to be in very fine condition. Look at him. It's hard to just scratch on him. Another Luigi without a pipe. I can start my own freaking booth at QuarksCon this year if I wanted to. Another Luigi. Like, I have enough stuff if I wanted to start my own booth. I don't have this Peach. I'm thinking of keeping her. Maybe. This is from a Nintendo Wii set, I'm thinking. Correct me if I'm wrong, is she missing something other than a Wii remote? I don't know. This poor Mario is in a Mario Kart, but he is detached. And then we have this Star Mario. Don't know if he works or not. No, he no longer works. That's unfortunate. What's even more unfortunate is that this Shadow might only get me about $30 to $35 with his defect. But he's in very good condition otherwise. Like, otherwise he's in good condition. Like, yeah, a little minor paint chip on the eyes and on his chest fur, but other than that, he's very okay. This is why I got the whole entire lot was a Shadow. The poor leg, though. You might be able to fix it if you're good with, you know, action figures. Like, maybe you can tear them apart and fix it. But I would advise against it because you might break it. I don't see any way to unscrew him or fix the leg in any way at all. And also, I apologize for all the voices downstairs. I have company over, but these guys, you know, came in the mail and I wanted to showcase that. These guys are going into my collection. Peach, probably. as well, but I think that she's missing something, so I don't know. I'll have to look that up. Oh well. At least we got this guy in the mail and these guys. And really for 31 bucks, you can't go wrong. I better end this video before it gets even weirder. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this otherwise awkward unboxing. I will get these guys listed in a minute. Want to visit my family and take care of the dogs. I got my hands full. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for Unnecessary Nonsense from yours truly, Gaming Chili Hedgehog. God bless. See you in the next video. I fixed up. Just needed to swivel his leg around and he's okay. That's a relief.